Hi everyone, my name is Gina, and finally we are now on day 30 of my 30-day Go High Level build. And in this video, I'm explaining the system design rationale behind the build. Over the past 30 days, I've already shown the full system and documentation. So this final video is not a walkthrough. Instead, I want to explain how I think when designing Go High Level backend systems. When I build systems, my priority is clarity first. Pipelines are designed around clear business states, not just final steps. So it's always obvious where a lead or client stands. I also design automation in a modular way. Each workflow has a single responsibility, which makes the system easier to troubleshoot, update, and scale without breaking other parts. Trigger logic is kept intentional and minimal. I avoid overlapping triggers and conflicting conditions, so automations run predictably and don't create hidden issues later. Onboarding is treated as its own system, not an afterthought. Client intake, internal notification, and hands-off are automated to ensure a smooth and consistent start to delivery. Finally, documentation is part of the build process itself. The goal is to make the system easy to understand, support, and hands off over time. So, this design approach focuses on maintainability, scalability, and long term usability. That's how I approach building Go High Level backend systems. So, this closes out my 30-day build. Thanks for